If you invest in real estate, you probably have 30 tabs open, copy-pasting listings into a spreadsheet at 11 p.m. And by the time your list is built, the good deals are gone. The data is stale before you even finish. You could try a scraper like Octoparse or Epify, but now you're watching tutorials, building workflows, debugging selectors. You wanted leads, not a coding project. Here's the no-code way. I'm looking to buy a property in New York, so I drop the Zillow URL straight in. ScrapeWise figures out the pattern across every card on the page, automatically. Hit run. Every listing structured and clean. What used to take you 3 hours, done in 60 seconds. But the listings are just the start. The result? All of your data in one table. That's not a spreadsheet, that's a lead list. A full market analysis in under a minute. Any city, any day, on a schedule. Links below. Go build your list. And if this saved you a few hours, hit like and subscribe for the next one.